I'm Reed Prescott, owner and operator of Verde Mountain, which is a very unique woodworking model that I've created. Instead of emphasis on creating product from wood, the emphasis is on capturing stories by using wood that has history to it. I think one of the things I love about this concept is that I think we're in a throwaway society. These things have such a strong connection that people will be handing them down to other family members. A pair of earrings that came from the tree in your mother's front yard, or from a place where you used to vacation, or a house that was being torn down where your grandparents lived, is not something you're going to be throwing away. So I do everything I can to find out the customer's story and then to connect wood with their story. If somebody had a fire in their house, let's say, and they lost their grandmother's rocking chair, it's not the physical rocking chair that they're mourning, it's the story that they represented. So you give me a piece of that burnt up rocking chair and I use it to face a picture frame or make earrings, or add it to some other wood and make some light switch covers, and now the story lives on. My favorite is when they have a connection with somebody who used to sit in that rocking chair. I use it to face a frame, and then they put a picture of that person in the rocking chair in the frame. And that's just, the frame ends up becoming part of the piece. It's not just something that holds a picture anymore. Those are the kinds of stories that I want to capture, because it elevates it beyond just being a frame or just being a pair of earrings. That's where my passion comes from, is capturing those stories. And I think I relate that back to my grandfather and hearing the stories from my grandfather. I mean, stories were always important to me. So to create a product that also captures a story just seems natural. It seems like I was actually made to be doing this. Items have a lifespan, but the stories live on forever. And that's the part that I want to capture, is the story. The bigger the story, the more I love it. Kind of like that.
Yeah, perfect.